Right, hi you guys. This is the quick wrap-up video for part 1 of the lab. I'm just going to help you with the reaction, but the rest of it you should be able to do. So you should have filled in all these notes from the original video, okay, hopefully. So this is part A, the synthesis reaction, where we heated the copper wire on the stove. All right, you can do this part, description of a synthesis reaction, look at discussion 1 in the packet, or you can Google it, it's fine also. All right, you watch the video about what this side did. You should fill in these masses from the video that I took. Note that since we had copper mixing with oxygen to make the copper 2 oxide, the mass should increase, right? Because we've added this oxygen here into the system. So that we should see the mass go up. So this one, I think you maybe could have written on your own. You had the copper solid plus the oxygen added from the air creates the new blackish colored copper 2 oxide. All right, make sure you say copper 2 oxide, right? Because you have to get the charge for the copper in there. And then I'm going to leave it to you to balance it. All right, so then this is what you should see on yours. Oh, with the energy term, I forgot to add that. Oops. Well, I added that. Plus energy, right? And then we're going to have plus energy here because this is endothermic, right? So the energy is going to be like part of the reactants, okay? Particle diagrams, you can do this part. You don't have to diagram anything for the energy. It just is what it is. The particle diagrams you can do. The word equation, I hope that you can do at this point. Okay, make sure that you say the number of moles. So like whatever these numbers come out to be, so many moles of solid copper plus so many moles of oxygen gas plus energy creates so many moles of copper 2 oxide. All right, and then this one's an endothermic pay me now because we had to input energy from the burner. All right, that is part 1. How do I turn this?